Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss types of earth retaining walls. So the first type of retaining wall is gravity retaining wall. Here in this figure we can see a gravity retaining wall. This wall depends on their weight for the stability. The walls are usually constructed on plain concrete or masonry. Such walls are not economical for large heights. Now the second retaining wall is semi-gravity retaining wall. So here we can see a semi-gravity retaining wall. The size of the retaining wall can be reduced if a small amount of reinforcement is provided near the back face. Such walls are known as semi-gravity retaining wall. The third type of retaining wall is cantilever retaining wall. These walls are made of reinforced cement concrete. The wall consists of a thin stem and the base slab is casted monolithically. This type of wall is found to be economical up to a height of 6 to 8 meter. Fourth type of retaining wall is counterfeit retaining wall. So in this figure we can see a counterfeit retaining wall. Counterfeit retaining wall have thin vertical slabs known as counterforts. These are spread across the vertical stem with this base slab. Thus, the vertical stem and the base slab span between the counterforts. The purpose of providing the counterforts is to reduce the shear force and bending moments in the vertical stem and the base slab. These retaining walls are economical for the height more than 6 to 8 meter. Thank you.